You are under. Are you choking on a donut? You're under arrest for blowing up a work facility and blowing up the sewer drains. How the hell? Get to digging, boy. Get your shovel. Bish, does this look like a shovel to you? This looks like something I can knock your teeth out with. Alright, how about you shut up? Okay? There's also people working with you. Oh yeah, no, definitely help. Yo, what's up, man? Shut up. Hey, how dare you? Man, I'm not in the mood to talk. Well, I'm in the mood to talk, so talk to me. No, get away. Ow! Ow! Oh! Ah! What the frick did you just do? Why you look like that? What did you do? Let me tell you something. Get the damn digging, but give me my bazooka. Oh my god, he has a bazooka. He has a bazooka. Yeah, I have a bazooka. What are you going to do now? I have a bazooka. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, homie? What you gonna? Hey, stop my game! Hey, I'm digging with you. Cool. So, what are we digging for? Oh, I don't know. But we're just digging. There's no purpose. Like, no purpose. Yeah, no purpose. Oh, yo, bro, what's up? Yo, what's up, man? How long is this episode gonna be? The fuck you mean episode? We ain't digging. Hey, get the damn digging. Okay. So, surprise you're not even in here, Mr. Famous Boy. Yeah, but I know you'll let me out in 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. 2 days? I just got here. Yeah, I know. But look, I got the blicky on me. Sir, can you... Oh, sorry. But look, I'm gonna record you. You want me... I got a water bottle, I got a camera, I'm doing this, I got a gun, I'm spinning. I'm a box. Okay, what the frick are you... I'm dizzy. Sam, just record me, I guess. Get the damn dig. Did you just throw a damn gun at me? Yeah. What am I supposed to do with it? Oh, I'm gonna blow you up. That's what I'm gonna... Oh no, I don't know which way this thing goes. This way. No, it's not there. Wait, what the fuck? I'm chilling. I'm in the room. Hold on. Yo, that was so cool. How the hell are you alive? I have a headache. Yo, what's up? I'm digging. I'm digging. What do you want from me? I'm digging like I'm supposed to, fatty. Call me fat one. Yo, but I'm playing the guitar. Cool for you, I guess. How about you get back to work, sir, and stop chitter-chatting? You are that, you are. Put me down. Put me down! I always come back. Yeah, he always comes back. I threw him in a pit of lava, and he came back. There's no way he's gonna come back. Wait. So you're the one they've been talking about, Shorty. Whoa, you just called me short? Yeah, I called you short. You are so mean, sir. That did nothing. What the frick? How are you grabbing me? Ah! You will pay for this. No! What's a snake? Oh yeah, that's the rattlesnake. This is Holes. The frick, I read that book, but it's a kitty cat. Kitty cat, kitty. What the frick? Possessed. No, that's my cat! My bad, I didn't. You just made me mad. Would you like a cup of water? This, sir. Okay, that I can. No, okay, that's a no. Well, meet this thing. Meet Gerald. My name ain't damn Gerald, bro. I'm your guardian squid. Well, I'm gonna name you Gerald. Okay, Gerald? Gerald, don't fail me. Alright. I'm going to have to kill you now. What the frick are you going to do? I grow big. Is that the only size you can get to? Oh! Oh! Gerald! No! Good. Me mad. What the hell is this? It's my pet dog. Good. This is why I think you're a pet dog. What the frick? Nah! You were the lesser of the two. I'm gonna rip your skull out! So you better stop running. Wait a minute, I have a bomb. You have a what now? Yeah, I have a bomb. Get it? No, that's actually a little bomb. But what the hell? This ain't gonna be world. You want me to start World War III right now? No. Ah! Well, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to, I don't know, why they add at this specific time? I'm trying to do my in, out, okay, if you like this, the epic, wait, what? What am I even yapping about? Dun dun dun. You better start running. Ah!